we'll see 2021 అయ్యే లోపల ఎంత మందికి జాబ్స్ వస్తాయో. Okay, so we'll start our next topic, that is the XP team, right? So in companies here, what we will doing, we are forming in a form of teams, right? That team may consist of either 6, either 12, or either 4. Okay, has your project, right? So whenever this XP team is there, okay, mainly that team consists of, means here various kinds of roles are going to be consist, right? Depend upon the project, they are going to be assigning that all roles, right? So how the expert team should be there, right? So first, how to design and program the software. Okay, how to design and how to write the program, how to run that software. Definitely we need programmers and designers and architects. They will take care of these all things, designing and programming of the software, right? And next, why the software is important. Okay, why the software is important? For example, if we people are using one of the software for our project, why that software is important, why not other software? Okay, we have to gather these all things. This job can be done by whom? Product manager, right? So which software is important and which software is useful? Okay, it will be, means if we are implementing that software or application, will that application is working independently or not, will be supporting to that software or not. If we are using, means we have to select within the budget and should be a user free. These all things you have to be, you have to look after by this product manager. He will take care of these all things, right? Once he will gather this all information, he will be providing that information to the particular team, right? And the next, third, the rules the software should follow. Okay, so they will be providing some rules how to use the software and where to implement and what to run in that. Okay, so who will be providing these all rules? Means domain experts, right? So domain experts means there are various domain experts will be there, like AI domain testers, okay, serum testers, and different developers will be there for Java developer, .NET, PHP. So different domain experts will be there. According to our need, they will be providing that domain experts to them. They will be providing the all rules and how to use that software, right? And next, how the software should behave. Okay, interaction designers will be there. Okay, interaction designers means here we are going to be involving the customer also. Okay, by with the help of that UI, user interface, they will be designing according to them. Okay, here we are going to be providing the support. So both at a time we are going to be interacting and designing the screen as per the users convenient, right? So interaction designers will be there. Okay, few will be given, just few persons, what they will be doing is they will be giving their requirements. I need like that screen, they will giving the requirements, that's it. Few stakeholders, how they will be being there means they will be involving and they will be creating, try to creating that with the help of that UI, right? So like that. And next, how the user interface should look. Okay, so graphic designers will be there. They will be working about this all UI interface look, and it should be a attractive whenever the users are going to be using any application or any website. They will be providing some graphic designers. So we need graphic designers also in team, right? And where defects are likely to hide. Okay, testers, once the coding and everything has been done perfectly, means testers will be doing the testing, my unit testing, acceptance testing. Okay, level by level these testings are going to be done. Once everything is clear means then they will be going for the release, right? So testers also we need, right? How to interact with the rest of the company. Okay, rest of the company, project manager will be taking care of all. Okay, he will be scheduling and dividing these all, okay, different roles and characters in their projects, and they will be utilizing whatever the proper infrastructure is there and whatever the proper coding and planning is there. According to that they will be scheduling, and according to that here team is going to be following, right? And next, coach. Okay, coach, what this coach will be doing, will be improving the work habits. Always he will be motivating and improving the works habits. There will be a one person, okay, will be giving training. Okay, if we suddenly the new software has been implemented, means that person will be guiding how to use. Okay, he will be assisting all about the project and explaining about the requirements if we don't understand. Okay, like that coach will be there. Okay, so these all are the team expert teams. They are going to be involving according to our need and the requirement. Here programmers, designers, architectures, everyone are important. Each and every role is very important, and they are going to be doing their jobs, right? So that we have to submit the project in time. Okay, in time, then only customer is going to be feel happy, right? So that is the XP team consists of, right? So mainly how the team consists, means already we have discussed, means these are the main mark. Okay, so remaining we can see here the whole team will be there. Okay, on-site customers, off-site customers, product managers, domain experts. Okay, business analysis, where business analyst will be gathering all the requirements from the stakeholder as well as from the employees, and according to that they will be programming and providing the designing architectures. Okay, so these all team consist of these all things. They will be identifying each and every thing according to their need. They will be utilizing these all team members, right? So here team size is also very important. Here they will be filling the roles. Okay, team lead will be there for every team. Okay, and a developer will be there. Testers will be there in the team, particular team. They will be working on that, and they will be providing the projects to the users in time, right? And technical specialist, if any problem has been occurred, means yeah, they will be taking care of that, and they will be providing the support so that the user or the developers who are facing the problems, okay, they will be avoiding, right? And next, here we are going to discuss about this XP concepts. Okay, so what are the things we are going to see? Means these all things: refactoring, technical debate, time boxing, the last responsible moment, stories, iteration, velocity, theory of constraint, and mindfulness, right? So one by one we'll discuss. So first one is the refactoring. Okay, what is this refactoring? Means the process of changing the structure of code and rephrasing it without changing its meaning or the behavior, right? So here refactoring means already some templates and some structure of code is available there. Without changing its behavior, we are doing some changes and we are going to be utilizing into the different projects. Same we can say that working has like a templates for the other projects, so that we can avoid the time. Okay, we can avoid the time, and within time we can complete our projects. Already if temporary templates are there, means we are going to be utilizing and implementing in our project. Okay, time will be consuming in that, so that we can spend that whatever the time left, okay, we can spend on the other things, right? So refactoring in XP, whenever we are using the XP model, refactoring will be there. Okay, without changing the structure of the code, here we are going to be utilizing their templates in our new projects, right? Next, technical debate. Okay, so is the total amount less than the perfect design and implementation decision in your project? This includes the quick and dirty hacks intended just to get something working right now. Okay, so here technical support will be there. Okay, they will be implementing and designing within the less time. If anything happens, okay, they will be taking care of them. Okay, if anything, any hack or any information has been misused, okay, they will be working on that, and they will be providing the services to the users, right? So technical debate, right? And next, time boxing. Okay, time boxing means here they are going to be providing some time limit to complete our task. Okay, within the time limit we have complete our project or task, then it will be okay. If time has been exceeded, okay, what the things we have to do? Either we have to take the on-site support or third-party support, like that. We are going to be looking after that, right? So mainly this time boxing is defined period of time during which a task must be accomplished, right? Time boxes are commonly used to manage software development risk. Within that time, they have to develop and they have to manage, right? Development teams are repeatedly tasked with producing a releasable improvement to the software and time box to a specific number of weeks. Means if that project has been not completed within that week, then how much time it will be consuming. Okay, like that. Here time limit, and we have to provide that time schedule in how many weeks we are going to be complete, right? So like that, fixing the time. Okay, and next, iterations means here when these iterations are going to be done, when these iterations are going to be done, can anyone chat me when these iterations are going to be done? Normally you can say whenever we are gathering the requirements and simultaneously we are involving to the customers. Okay, right? Any changes they need, right, Shrestha? Any changes they needed, okay, they means who? Stakeholders or the customer. If they are updating, means here we are adding that all changes in the next iteration cycles, and we are going to be releasing, right? So an iteration is the full cycle of design, code, verify, release, practiced by XP teams, right? It's a time box that is usually 1 to 3 weeks long. 1 to 3 weeks, max 1 to 3 weeks. They are going to be taking and they will be executing. And already we have seen in XP diagram, right? So how planning, analysis, testing, these all things are going to be done. We have seen. So each and every stage they will be performing, and after performing that, whenever they are going to be deploying their projects, right? So whenever they are releasing, at that time they are going to be scheduling, and they will be, if any new requirements is there, they will be gathering. I think some problem. Wait a minute. See here, iterative life cycle, right? So we are going to be planning for 1 to 3 months or 1 to 3 weeks. We are going to be planning according to our time schedule, time boxing, and we are going to be releasing. Okay, we have to follow these iterative life cycles, right? And velocity. Velocity is a simple way of mapping estimates to the calendar. It's the total of the estimates for the story finished in an iterations. Okay, so we are going to be calculating how much time it has been took, okay, to finish our stories with all the changes, and we are going to be counting all the iterations, in how many iterations we have released that particular product. Means totally estimation is going to be done. Next, theory of constraints says that every system has a single constraint that determines the overall throughput of the project. Okay, so overall throughput of the project, here they are going to be doing the analysis, right? And the last responsible moment, okay, we can call it as LRM, right? Means here a strategy of not making premature decisions, but instead delaying the commitment and keeping the importance and irreversible decisions over open until the cost of not making a decision becomes greater than the cost of making a decision, right? So what we are doing in this LRM means here we have to take care about the time, right? And we have to make a pre plans only, okay? సడన్ గా అప్పటికప్పుడు తీసుకొని డెసిషన్స్ అప్పటికప్పుడు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తామంటే that is not possible, okay? It will be delaying and some commitments will be there, okay? Anni reverse ga అయిపోతే it will be a problematic, right? And mainly we have to take care of the cost, okay? Within that cost we have to provide, okay? Greater than that cost will be happen means then we have to make some decisions with the higher authorities. We have to take the permission if the cost is going to be increased and time is going to be delayed means definitely they are going to be checking of this all, right? In this LRM, last responsible moment. And at last, stories means here we are going to be gathering from the customers or from the developers or from different, okay? From them we are going to be gathering all, and we are going to be included into the projects, okay? We are adding all the features and representing all the work within 1 or 2 days of the work, okay? Stories or the customer centric is going to be describing about the results in the terms of business results. If we are getting the profits with that stories means definitely they will be including all the new changes and releasing, right? And at last, mindfulness, okay? Mindfulness means the ability to respond effectively to the change and requires that everyone pay attention to the processes and practices of development. This is the mindfulness, okay? So whenever the changes are going to be done means definitely they have to pay attention, and they have to do a lot of practice on that particular area, then only they will be able to do all the changes within time without any stress or the problems, right? That is the mindfulness, right? So this is all about the XP concepts, right? So explain briefly about the XP concepts means you people have to explain about this 9 points, right? 9 points you have to explain. And next, applications of extreme programming. What are the applications of extreme programming? So you people have heard, right? So how we can use this XPMA? Can anyone name them in your own words? What will be the applications of extreme programming where we can use? How it will be useful? Can anyone? Yes, applications of extreme programming. Mainly here we are going to be checking is that application is suitable or not, okay? By using this XP models we can do the analysis. Is that project whenever we are working with a different project, is it suitable or not? We can work within time or not, with more profit or not, okay? We are going to see. So mainly this XP mainly we are using for the small projects, right? Is very useful in small projects consisting of the small teams, has face-to-face meetings, is easier to achieve in small teams, right? And next, project involving new technology or research projects. So this type of a project face changing of requirements rapidly and technical problems, so that XP model is used to complete this type of projects. So whenever the new technologies has been introduced in our projects means they will be involving all the like XP team members, and they will be working on that particular problems, Okay, they are going to be taking care of that. There should not be occur technical problems, and they have to complete their projects within time, right? If new technology has been used and they have to do a research, means without any technical problems, they have to complete their projects within time. Okay, for them also this XP will be suitable, right? So where we can adopt this XP? Where we can adopt this XP means some prerequisites are there, ma. So first, management support. Okay, management support means whenever we are selecting one project, means whatever the software tools and systems are required, here management is going to be supporting and providing that all the requirements, right? And team agreement will be there. Team agreement will be there means whenever the project is divided into some small pieces, okay, they will be after checking that all the modules, okay, after dividing that modules, they will be giving some time. Yes, within this time we are going to be completing some agreements will be there for them, right? And co-located teams will be there. Okay, co-located teams will be there. For example, the persons who are working in the Hyderabad, they have to relocate to the Bangalore and they have to work on that projects from there itself. Okay, like that. And on-site customers, okay, on-site customers we are going to be taking, and the right team size, okay, and the right team size will be there. So each and everything, if management isn't support you, okay, management have to support. If it is not providing, means we can't work on it. Okay, once you read these all things, you can easily understand, right? So these all are the prerequisites. And what are the recommendations? Means a brand new code base. If you have pre-existing code, okay, templates, then you can use it first. Okay, first priority is given to that. If it is not there, means we have to develop, right? And second, strong design skills. If no one has strong design skill, then it will be problematic. Definitely there should be some domain experts, right? Domain experts. And next, third recommendation is a language that easy to refactor. If your language is hard to refactor, okay, whatever from one language to the another language, if we can convert easily, means use that. Okay, whatever simplicity we have to see here, right? And the fourth recommendation is an experienced programmers or coach or domain expert should be there, right? If you have no obvious coach, okay, if your leaders are inexperienced, if you are assigned a poor coach, means definitely it will be a problematic to us and headaches will be there. If everyone are experienced, then easily we can move. Okay, wherever the technical problems are there, wherever we have stopped our work, we can take the help of them and we can continue our work, right? And fifth recommendation is a friendly and cohesive team should be there, then only we can proceed. టీమ్ లో 4 members ఉన్నారు ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ లో, ఒక్కరే చేసిన వాళ్ళే పని చేస్తా ఉంటే మిగతా వాళ్ళు అసలు ఈ చేసినోడికి కూడా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ రాదు, మొత్తం నేనే చేస్తున్నా వీళ్ళు ఎవ్వరు చేస్తలేరు అని. లైక్ దట్ దే విల్ బి మేకింగ్ సమ్ disturbance will be created, and the team is not going to be supporting to that person, means definitely he will be facing a problems, right? So definitely the team should be a friendly and cohesive team, then only they can interact with each other and can distribute their task with each other, they can complete in time. మొత్తం బర్డెన్ అంతా ఒకే పర్సన్ మీద కాకుండా అందరు డివైడ్ చేసుకుంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి ఈజీ, రైట్? సో ద ఛాలెంజెస్ ఆఫ్ చేంజ్. Okay, how to change and what to change means final preparation should be there. Okay, applying XP to the brand new projects are recommended, and whatever the existing projects are there, templates, use that. And big decisions have to take, and we have to bring the orders. Okay, we have to bring, means once our project has been developed and we have provided to the customer, if he is happy, then he will be providing the another orders, right? So pay down technical debate will be there, and any technical issues has been raised, means they will be taking care of them. Okay, if one or two person is there and n number of members are facing some technical problems, it will be a problematic, right? Organize your backlog, fix the important bugs mainly, and move the testers forward. Whatever the one by one module we are testing and we are releasing it as a new versions, right? Emerge from the darkness and applying XP in a phase-based organization. Many organizations mainly they are going to be using, right? What are the mandatory things are there? Means planning, analysis, designing, coding, testing, then after only deployment is possible. So these all are the challenges for doing any changes or updates in our projects. It will be helpful, right? Challenges and extremities. Okay, so extremities means here whatever we are applying bits or pieces or we are going to be including the new changes, we are going to be applying in that. Okay, after applying we are going to be releasing it as a iterations, and retrospectives will be there. We are going to be refactoring and what are the things we have introduced in that. Okay, that all things will be there. And 10 minutes build means here at last from morning to evening we are working on project, ma'am. So at last for 10 to 15 minutes they will be doing some discussion what we have done today and what is pending and within how many days we are going to be we can complete our task. Like that some 10 minutes build will be there, and continuous integrations will be there. Means any changes or updates have been done means continue integrations are going to be provided. And TDD methods they are going to be using test driven developments, right? So these methods they are going to be including, and they are going to be supporting to all the XP projects, and they are applying on that and releasing in a form of releasing within time to make the customer happy, right? So how they are assessing their agility, how what they have worked, what they have done, how they are going to be assessing means some assessment quiz will be there. Okay, self assessment quiz means what we have done, what we have to do, what is the balance, what are the things we have to include, right? So like that thinking will be there, and collaborating with the other teams, and we are getting the information how much percentage they have done. Okay, after doing all that analysis, collaborating, okay, whenever we are interacting with the others only, then only we can understand. And releasing, so when we are going to be releasing means whenever the testing has been done successfully, then releasing will be there. That team will be supporting and helping them. According to that, planning will be going to be done and developing is going to be done. So here example for this assessment means how they are going to be thinking. Okay, some people will be thinking differently. Okay, we all are the different human kinds. My each and every members are different thinking criteria will be very different, right? I am getting one idea and another person will be getting another idea. With this thinking stage they will be gathering all the needs, what are the changes we can do. Okay, after that collaborating means when we will be collaborating whenever the different teams are there, we are going to be interacting with them and we are going to be getting information from that, right? After that we are working on that particular product or a project, then we are going to be releasing that particular project according to our plan, and we are going to be developing that projects, right? Developing again, if any changes are done, we are going to be thinking and we are gathering the information, the two persons who are working even after that project has been released, right? So like that some assessments are going to be done. Assessment means they will be gathering all the information, what to done, where to done, how much is balance, and what we have to take so that our project have to complete in time. Like that, for that they will be taking some steps, right? So that is practicing XP means here we are going to doing thinking. How to practice that XP means These all things are going to be involved. Thinking, collaborating, releasing, planning and developing, right? So that is about the XP. Okay, practicing XP challenges we have seen, what to recommend and what to not recommend, right? And what are the applications of this XP we have seen, and whatever the XP concepts are there. Okay, can anyone name the XP concepts? How many XP concepts are there, and can anyone name them? Yes, 9. Very good. Refactoring, time boxing, velocity. Yes. Iteration, stories. Hmm.